Good evening from Czech Republic. Time is almost 7 o'clock. Talagang pa-spring na kasi tingnan nyo, magsa 7 o'clock na pero medyo maliwanag pa rin. Yan. Inihintay ko si Ana kasi wala pa hanggang ngayon. Lumabas sila ng kanyang ka-office mates. Manonood na sila ng movie sa cinema sa Breda. Aywan ko kung anong panoorin nila, kaya malilate uwi yun. Yan. Pero talagang tahimik sa village, walang kaingay-ingay. Yan, diba? Tahimik na. Talagang yung lugar na to maganda ito talaga sa mga retirement. Walang disturbo. Malayo sa disturbo. Si Sofia na sa baba with her Bobby. Ako dito sa taas at nanonood ako ng Netflix. Ito pinapanood ko sa Netflix. Connection. Yan. At habang nanonood, nagpapak ng liempo, pork belly. Habang nag-aantay kay Hana. Pa!
I've seen you.
Oh, kauwi niya lang. Alas 9 na ng gabi. Where have you been?
I was in the cinema.
Wow, popcorn. But it's too late for me to eat popcorn.
For Sophia.
For Sophia. Okay. How's the movie?
Very nice. I miss England.
Why?
It was in the London, in England.
Huh?
It was in England, like the movie was...
Shot in England?
Yeah. I miss so much England.
Okay.
I didn't know that it would be so hard, but it was amazing. I miss the movie again.
At least you enjoy. Okay.
Where's Sophia?
Yeah, she's in the room. She's changing. Good morning from Czech Republic. Ihatid ko si Hana sa work kasi gagamitin ko yung sasakyan para mag-shopping. Kasi wala siyang time mag-shopping. Ako ang may time mag-shopping. So my task for today is shopping. Kasi every Wednesday maraming mga reduced price
I forgot my phone.
sa mga groceries. Hana is always busy, very busy. She forgot her phone, she forgot everything. Sometimes she forgot her everything. Kaya dapat tayong mga husband ay fully support sa ating mga misis. So yung mga bagay na dapat na kaya natin gawin dahil sila ay busy, dapat gawin natin. So ganito, kahit nahirap ako mag-shopping kasi nga sa mga wordings, sa mga label na bibilhin, hindi ko maintindihan. Lalo na yung paggamit ng scanner. Minsan yung scanner nag-a-ask ng something, yung tinatanong puro check. So minsan naghahanap ako ng mga empleyado na marunong mag-English, at bihira yun dito sa maliit na town na katulad nitong Opava. Pero ganun pa man, I will survive. Hi, buhay no? Pero I am very happy and thankful to God, grateful na ang buhay ko rito sa Czech Republic ay relax, hindi rush katulad ng nasa England, and I'm able to support the family. Yeah, so let's go.
I'll give you the spare key from the car, yeah?
Why? You just have it with you always. It's okay.
Oh, thank you.
Okay. Tapos na ako mag-grocery. Pupunta lang ako sa Globus para bilang ko Sofia ng kanyang lunch. Tinatamad ako magluto. Tsaka tanghali na. Para pagdating ko, hindi na ako magluluto. Pag alas 12 na, serve ko na lang sa kanya yung kanyang lunch. Mura lang naman yung lunch dito para sa isang tao, lalo na kay Sofia. So ito ang aking biniling lunch para kay Sofia. 2 breaded chicken at saka baked potato. Pero bago ko ito binili, of course tinawagan ko siya kung anong gusto niya. So ito yung request niya, breaded chicken at saka baked potato. So ito ay nagkakalaga ng 320 pesos sa Philippine peso. Yeah. Okay. So, ang dami kong pinamili. Ito ang aking pinamili lahat. Yan. Supposed to be, you are allowed only to buy 3 trays of eggs. 1, 2, 3. Pero nakabili ako ng 5. Nagtataka si Mamingka, bakit daw, paano ko raw ginawa kung bakit pinayagan akong kumuha ng 5 trays. Pingkay, tell Bobby, Globos allowed me to take 5 trays because someone recognized me that I am her son-in-law.
How do they recognize?
Are you son-in-law Bobby Lidos? I said, yes. I said, oh, okay, you can buy as much as you can.
Okay, I don't have to say son-in-law, but I'll try my best.
Oh, yeah.
Ty wiesz co? Oni nas jenom dovolili Globus jenom 3 tady to.
No, 3 a
a někdo poznal Jafet, protože od tebe oni poznal, tak oni ho dovolili koupit 5.
Dostal?
Oni ho dovolili koupit 5, protože oni poznali Jafet od tobě. Protože...
Jo! Jo!
To dobře, no.
Jo! Dobre!
I didn't translate perfectly, but...
Že to mám pro někoho ještě, že?
It's okay. So, I was able to buy 5 trays instead of 3. So, 1 for you, Maminka, 1 for Helen, and
why do you buy 3 for yourself?
3 for me. Well, I want to.
Tak si dobře umím.
Kasi sale ito, sale. Kalahating presyo ang isang tray. So, sale. So, kaya ako bumili ng marami. Believe na believe si Maminka sa akin, she can't believe I was able to buy 5 trays of egg. Naniwala sa akin na pinayagan ako ng Globos bumili ng 5 trays. Sabi ko sa kanina kaya na, hindi nyo alam yung style, ganito yung style na gawin nyo. Siyempre, paano nila malalaman na 5 trays ang kinuha mo, di ba? Siyempre, pag nasa counter ka na, malalaman nila. So, ang gagawin mo, bili ka muna ng 3 kasi 3 lang pwede. Lumabas ka, bumalik ka. Ganun lang kasimple yun. Di ba? Yan. So, Guy, how are you? Are you still using that? How are you today? How's your allergy?
I don't know. Let's just see my eyes. I don't know.
Are you still using? Yeah. But why is it in night mode?
Because I don't know how to switch it off.
Oh, you wanna switch it off?
No, it's fine. Like this is fine.
Like that, it's fine, yeah? But I think it helps you a lot, right?
Maybe.
Yeah. Good job. Have you done your homework? Okay. Mamaya kakain yan Sophia sa binili kong kanyang lunch. Okay. At si Hana na sa work. Ako naman ay para mamayang gabi to. Kasi wala pala akong karne. Yung adobo ko pang lunch lang. Mamaya mahilig kong magpapak eh. Papak. Pork belly. Pinakupsan. Yan ang gusto ko sa pork belly, yung pinakupsan lang. What can you say? You like your Globus lunch?
Yeah.
Delicious? At least hindi na ako nagluto.
You like this for camera?
Why are you again sleeping here?
Because I just do whatever I want here. She just decide to sleep here.
No.
Why? What's the main reason why you wanna sleep here?
I'm just looking for the right words, how to say it in a polite way.
I'm still.
You decided to disturb parents.
You just wanna disturb us.
No, but
She just wanna remind us that she's
the queen.
no,
Oh,
she's our baby.
yeah. She's still our baby. That's why she wanna sleep here.
My eyes still swollen. I hate it so much. My eyes were swollen.
Okay.
That's so weird, but there was all day raining and your eyes are swollen.
Anyway, I think it got better this morning. After
Maybe-
do you want me to put the...
No, I think it's
I thought-
fine now.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Anyway.
I think that might not be allergy, but she's sick.
No.
No, she's not sick. It's
I'm
just all
definitely
allergy. No. Okay, pag wala siyang school, talagang dito siya natutulog sa aming kwarto sa taas. And then, but, Monday, she'll be back to school
No.
on Monday.
No. Tomorrow's Friday, right?
Friday. Monday,
And
you'll be
then
back to school.
I have only 3 more days and I have to go back to school.
Oh,
Yeah, that's Monday.
I'm
So,
gonna
yeah.
cry.
Because they have 1 week break from school. Kaya wala siyang pasok sa school. And then she keeps disturbing us. She always sleep with us here. It's okay.
Yeah.
Okay, good night. Good night, everyone. Thank you for watching us. Okay, thank you for supporting us. Thank you for your prayer for Sophia. I think her allergy is a bit better. Can I say that? A bit better? Yeah.
I don't think it's better.
Yeah, it will be better.
I'll be
Alright.
better, but
Yeah. Anyway, good night, guys. Good night, everyone.
good night.
See you tomorrow again. Bye.